more. Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use Google Trends to find products to sell. This guide will show you how to leverage Google Trends to find trending products, covering account setup, navigating to the platform, and searching for products with interpreting the data to uncover profitable trends. Google Trends allows you to explore search data for specific terms, making it an excellent resource for discovering new product ideas. And here's how to get started. Begin by creating a Google account. If you don't have one, then sign in to access your Google Trends. Familiarize yourself with the interface, exploring features like regional filters, time range selection, and the comparison tool to analyze search terms. Use the search bar to input specific terms related to your industry. Employ filters to refine your search and utilize the Explore feature to analyze the popularity of terms over time. And here's how to do it, like I'm showing you. Check the Trending Searches section for real-time insights and use categories to narrow down your search to relevant fields. Look at regional interest to target your market more effectively and explore related queries for additional insight. Start with broad searches and gradually narrow down to specific products or categories. Look for seasonal patterns, regional preferences, and compare multiple keywords to gauge their popularity. And continuously monitor trends to adapt your strategy as needed. Some tips to success in finding your perfect winning product is to begin with broad industry terms and refine your search based on your initial findings. Utilize seasonal and regional trends to inform your product strategy. Compare keywords to identify the most promising terms. And also regularly monitor changes in the trends to stay ahead. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.